What's up, world? Welcome back to another video. Today we are back at it with the cooking, but today is going to be a little bit different. We are not grilling, and we are actually making a pasta dish. So this is called Cacio e pepe, and it is a Roman dish. So right in front of us, this is pecorino romano cheese that we have grated up. And it is sheep's milk cheese that was popular in Rome until the mid-1800s, but then it was banned, so now it's made in Sardinia. But you're gonna grate it up, and if you have a box grater like this, you want to use these like small little graters for the kind of almost like powdery cheese that we have. And then next right here, these are some organic peppercorns. So we are gonna be toasting these, and then we're gonna mess around with them a little bit more. But anyways, I will see you at the stove. Alright, so we were here at the stove, and this is just some boiling water where we are going to put in these noodles. It doesn't matter, thick or thin, tall or small, but we have just got some Lomo spaghetti noodles. So we are just gonna pour those in there. And then we will fix those. But right here we have our peppercorns, and we are going to be toasting them right in there. So I will see you guys once this is done. Alright, so here we are. We've got the noodles boiling there, and we are going to toast our peppercorns until they're nice and fragrant. So we just wanted to show you that, and we will see you guys with the next step. Alright, so we are here, and our peppercorns are nice and fragrant. So we are just gonna pour them back in there. And we'll just let them sit, cool down, and we'll see you guys with the next step. Alright, so we toasted and ground our peppercorns. And there's a bunch of different ways you can do it. We used a coffee grinder. But now we're gonna pour these back in here to let them toast again. And then we will see you with pasta water. Alright, so we are back, and those are our peppercorns. And now we are going to add a cup of the pasta water. This came straight out of there. This is just 1 cup of it, and we are going to pour it into our toasting peppercorn. Alright, so we are back, and we added some pasta water to our grated pecorino romano cheese, and we have made this paste. So now we are just gonna add it all into our toasted peppercorns. So we'll stir that up, and we'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, so our pecorino romano cheese paste has simmered with our ground peppercorn. So we have strained the noodles, and now we're just gonna add them together. Now we'll cool that up and see what the finished product. Alright, so we are here with our cacio e pepe. We added a little bit, we added a small sprinkle of extra pecorino romano cheese and a little bit of ground pepper. So now let's try it. Remember, this is our cacio e pepe, and let's taste it. Okay, so if you're wondering how it tastes, it's a little spicy. The cheese is definitely very creamy, and you want to make sure that you get that paste right because it is the most useful part of this dish, in my opinion. But yeah, if you ever don't know what to eat, come to this channel, watch our videos, and this is our Cacio e pepe recipe, so see you later.